Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Forex trading experience for the past week, for the just concluded trading week. So, as you guys know, if this is your first time on my channel, I'm a beginner Forex trader who just happened to stumble upon Forex trading for the past for the past 3 to 4 months. And right on this channel, I want to document my experience and my journey from beginner to becoming a professional Forex trader. So if you would like to join me on this quest, and if this is your first time on my channel, I'm going to appeal to you to kindly subscribe to my channel so as to get updated, to follow along as I go through my trading journey, and also to play to even as I share my real life experience with you guys. So if this is your first time on my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel, and if you find this video useful, press the bell notification button to give it a thumb up and to help the Google algorithm, the YouTube algorithm. So enough of the intro. Let's get down to the main content of this video. Now, if you can recall from my last video, I've been playing around with gold, with the X, with the gold USD. And although I had a nasty experience in my first week, or in my first time trading it, I still chose to go through the same gold analysis, because I believe that if you want to be an expert in this field, you must stick to a trading plan, and also you must stick to a pair or a trading strategy. Or let's say I've just stumbled upon gold and I'm finding gold funny or gold interesting. Another currency I looked into last week was the Euro CAD, Euro Canadian Dollar. So I also had a little experience with this pair last week, although I lost I lost about $7 trading this particular pair last week. But I believe this period is a learning period for me. So like I told you in my previous video, don't focus on the money at the initial stage of forex trading. So rather try to accumulate experience at this period to come out with a concrete trading plan that will help you in your forex trading. So that's what I'm trying to build at the initial stage of my trading. I've been playing with different trading strategies, with different currency pairs, and with a lot of things. But I might even have to say I don't know what I'm doing at this stage. But the best part of it is I'm growing into becoming a professional forex trader. So last week, and I also said in my last video, I'm going to put a link to the video down below this video. So if you want, you can still check it out and see what I rambled upon in the last video. But in my last video, I also told you that if you want to start trading, don't be like me by committing real money. I started with real money when I even knew nothing about the forex market, and I lost the money in a twinkle of an eye. So I'm going back to demo. But what I found out was that trading on demo wasn't convenient, because I see myself not putting the commitment needed in trading demo. And this is something I find out with most forex traders. When you are on a demo account, you can't treat you lost the motivation to treat it as a real account, which is something I found myself, which is a position I found myself in. So how was I able to overcome this thing? one thing I did was, after a little research, I came across a site called FBS. So FBS, um, let me let's take a look at the home page. FBS. So I came across this site FBS, and from their offerings, they offer different accounts: the standard account, cent account, micro account, and zero account. So last week I was able to sign up for their micro account. Now I don't want to commit real money, so what I did was sign up with their demo account. The motivation that made me into going with the micro account was the leverage. They had a leverage of up to 3,000, up to 1:3,000 ratio. So this leverage is, if you are going to be trading forex trading, this is a very, very terrible leverage to start with. But why I'm going with this is because I'm not taking this as a real account. So I'm taking this as a learning account. So instead of committing huge money while in the learning process, and in a way in another way to give me the seriousness I need in trading forex by taking me out of the demo quote, what I did was going for the macro account. So this account, at least I'm committing real money in this account to give me more leverage while trading the pairs I want to focus on. So anyway, the difference between this and a demo is that I'm putting in real money. So I'm committing $5 into this, or I want to start with $35. I have my reasons for that, but the the takeaway, the motivation with this particular account is the leverage offering, the leverage. So later I'm going to do a separate video on FBS, because I've also been I played around with FBS last week, and they are I'm getting familiar with their system, and it seems interesting. So I'm going to do a separate video about this FBS sometimes in the future, but and the difference account and what they all mean. So going on with the micro account, the leverage, like I said, the leverage was my motivation to sign up with the macro account. And aside from that, another thing that another while I've already created an account with them, and this is my micro account. This account here, this is my micro account. I'm here to make deposit into it. So I'm planning on making deposit into it to start trading this week. And like you can see, my leverage is set to 1:3,000. I know why I gave it this leverage. So I'm going to explain the reasons in another video. And so while I signed up with this account, I also noticed that they have other offerings. When I came to their promotional tab, there's what we call the level up bonus. The level up get $140 to level up your trading. So I also came into this like my level up I'm on a loss of $4.8 as at the time of doing this video, and I've already traded with this account for the past 5 days now. So the thing is, this I came in this day when I signed up with this account. They gave me $70 to play with. So from this $70, I think my balance here is $26, and my available trading balance is around $10. So obviously you can see I'm a profit of -4. This is a loss of $4 loss with 4 trading days, 8 lots traded, and 0 miss. So obviously from these stacks you can see that I really don't know what I'm doing with forex trading at this time, and which is also more of the reason I don't want to commit real money into it. But I'm also learning. So I'm also learning. Instead of signing up to signal services that will just send me signals without me knowing what they meant, and instead of just signing up to too much training. Another thing I found out was there's an information overload in this industry. So many strategies, so many information, so many trainings. I want to avoid them as much as possible and stick to just a proven strategy. So right now I'm still in the period of building up my strategy, which is why I'm also in this process. Another thing you can see here is my demo account of $10,000. Now, a little more about this demo account. That is why I said I'm going to do a separate video about FBS in some other time. So when you come on this promotion, FBS have lots of offerings I came to find out when I signed up with them. So I got $70 from their level up bonus instead of 140. I think I verified my account before applying for the level up. If not, I would have gotten up to 140 for this. So that aside, I also found out that when you come to this FPS league, that is a demo contest. So this also can motivate me. Last week I was able to join the contest. Out of 1,000 plus people that came to this contest, I took 250 position. About after trading for 2 days, but I signed up late. I was like I want to play around with it, and signing up I came around 240. So this is the email they sent to me. Um, so this email was sent a day ago. That is July 15th. Today is 16th. So hello, Mwachukwu Emmanuel Ozezie. The FBS league date is over and the winners are announced on the league page. Let's take a look at the league page. Okay, the winners were announced on this page. Okay, so on this page, but although you did not become a winner this time, your result has truly impressed us. Turning 10K to such a significant sum, well, this is quite an achievement. So I was able to turn the 10K they gave me into 21K within the 2 days of trading on their demo account. So this one is basically the motivation here, or why I'm applying to this was it is a competition, not only with me, but with a group of people that signed up to join the league. The league, the league. So, and I've also signed up to join the next league of July 19 to 30. The league is about 2 weeks interval. So I don't know what will be of me, but let's see how this league perform. And if I'm able to come up to first, these are prizes: 450, 250, 150, $150 prize actions for different people. For the first five people, those that were able to come in to come into the first five in the competition. So from next week, I'm also going to try to play around with that $10K, and also while looking at my while looking at what I'm going to make of this micro account next week. These are my plans for next week. And this also, let's see if I'm going to burn up this remaining dollar. It was $70 when it was given to me, and now I've been able to burn it away, remaining 26.95. So this is, and here we have my league, demo league competition starting tomorrow, which is Monday. So these are the three plans in place for next week. I won't know how it will come about, but at the end of next week, I'm also going to shoot another video giving you guys an update of all this and what I was able to make out with this, either bringing it to success or also my failures and what you can learn from it. And also I'm going to be doing it with still with gold.